anthem, as ours is the world's best national anthem declared by UNESCO in 2010. We are all very much glad that we are going to sing the national anthem on the eve of National Bhavana Divas, which is conducted in our college, G. Pullareddy Engineering College, the pride of Kurnool town. I request you to start singing national anthem exactly at 10 a.m.